Hi guys, I am Siam's cat. The history of a breed is covered with a secret for several centuries. Very insensitive to changes in device. With proper care, they live up to 20 years. Bye. Hey guys, I'm a Persian cat. The breed has more than 100 colors. They cannot run fast and jump. We are not hunters. Rarely make quiet sounds. We love to lie, such a feature of the breed for a long time. We do not like loneliness. Bye. Hi, I'm a German Shepherd. We serve in the army and police. Enters the top 3 most smart breeds of dogs. In America, the German Shepherd is an official dog Florida, often shot in cinema. Bye. Hi, I am a Bull Terrier. Friendly and funny character. Aggression is not peculiar to us. Fearless heroes are ready to sacrifice themselves to save others. Bye.